Consume, definition, consume in a sentence, consume pronunciation, consume meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of consume. Consume. Con-sume. Consume. Consume as a verb means to eat or to drink, or to use up a resource. Common usages in academic writing: to consume nutrients, to consume fuel, to consume energy, to consume food, to consume too much time. Example sentences: consume, verb. The anteater consumes around 35,000 ants and termites every day. Example sentence number 2. The engine consumes 1 gallon of gas per 80 miles if the car's speed remains at 40 miles per hour. The common academic writing variation is consumption, noun. To reduce one's energy consumption, allow sunlight through the windows to heat your rooms instead of turning up the heater. Please write a sentence using consume in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use consume confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.